Welcome to Ant My ERP. This video shows how MPS Auto Invoice is generated on Ant My ERP, and how to generate manual invoice. The benefit of MPS Auto Invoice is if any company deals in MPS, and they want to generate 500 or 1000 invoices. Then they will be ready at the click of a button, provided their counter has been updated. There are parameters of MPS invoice that need to be tracked. First of all, to generate MPS invoice, go to Finance and click on Sales Invoice. The pending MPS is seen here. So there are 3,146 invoices here, which had to be accepted till now, and they are of last month. There is no invoice of this month. To generate MPS invoice in the system, click on Generate Invoice. Select MPS after or before and then select date. For example, to generate December invoice, run it on January 1st. After it runs, if any invoice was going to be generated in that month, it appears here. So here the MPS invoice is generated. For example, click on this invoice where the rental amount is 28,777. The MPS invoice opens. It is on per page bill, and here the December invoice is seen from December 14th to December 31st. Go to Edit It and the details of the device will be seen along with the counter. When it comes to this invoice, first of all, the counter needs to be updated. To update the counter, go to Service. Click on Reports. Go to Counter Report. Update the counter against the serial number here. Search for the serial number. Then fill the counter. So, for example, to set the counter for December, go to Action. Enter the counter here as 5,000. Enter the date as December 28th. Save it. The counter is now updated, in which 58 copies were free. Here it is shown 58 copies free. So the counter is updated for this. Upload the Excel file of the counter here. It can also be added one by one. Enter the add counter here as 2058. Add a date of December. And save. So the first parameter is done. For the invoice to be generated, it is compulsory to update the counter. The second parameter is the serial number. For this, enter the billing effective date. Go to the challan. The system has to inform from when the bill will start generating. Go here and search for the serial number. It is not on this page. Then search for the customer. The name of the customer is Harshila Enterprises. Go to the reports. Search for the counter. Now go to the Challan register and search for the Challan, in which the Challan serial number is seen. Search here. The from and to date can be seen here. Select any date. Select the serial number here. And search. If it is out during this period, then it can be seen. In this case, after searching, there is no data here. It means it was not on this date. It was before this. So search from April 1, 2021. And then search for the serial number. Maybe it is the property of the customer. In that case, go to the customer from CRM Sales. Then search for that customer. There are many probabilities in the MPS. The name of the customer is Harsehall Enterprises. Go to the contract. And the device will be seen here. It will also show which device is with this customer, and whether it is our property or the property of the customer. Click on All Products. So, all the products appear here. Now in this product, there are 14 devices. Here is that device. Here is its quotation. Contract number. MPS. The serial number. It was gone in 2020. And the data that was searched before was from 2021. Note the serial number. It is CH10093. Search it here. Here is the device of Harsehall Enterprises, and it has gone. Enter the billing effective date. Since when will the bill of this system start generating needs to be set. From whatever date is added here, the system will start generating its bill. Now the billing effective date should not be changed because it must have already made a lot of bills. That's why it is generating the bill of December. Update. Go to MPS. Now the invoice can be generated. Go to Sales Invoice. Go to Pending Invoice. It's the third invoice, in which the amount is showing. Now delete and regenerate. Once it is deleted, go to the system and generate it. So now the bill will be generated along with its counter. Select MPS after. Select January 1st. Generate invoice. After running, it came in pending. Here it is 300. And here the bill of Harsehall Enterprises has increased. It can be viewed. And also printed. In View, there is Management Service. This is the extra copies charge. This is 11,716. Go to Edit. Here is 5,000. The end counter 58 was added. And it's 2 rupees per page charge. So 8,129. Means 4942 by 2. Here the end counter is 2058, and the extra copies is 1,000 with 2 as charge per page. And with rental, this amount can be seen. In this way, the auto invoice is generated, and once it is accepted from here, this detail is attached, and it depends on how it needs to be printed out. Go here and accept it. In this system, there are two options to view invoice. One is classic view and the other is normal view. In normal view, the detail can be seen as attached. To download full detail, click on plus. This way, the invoice can be downloaded, printed and shared. It can be edited in Excel. The first process was automated, second process is manual, and third is 50% manual and 50% automated, which is called semi-auto. Go to Add Invoice. Several options are seen in the drop-down here. Click on MPS and fill the details in the form. Enter the contract number, the name to whom the bill is being sent, and if multi-branch is on, it will also be asked. The customer is Harsehall Enterprises. The main branch name to which the bill is being sent, delivery person, contract number is all selected here. The contract number was CN 1162. So here, select that contract number. If the contract is expired, then it will not be visible here. Select taxation. Select the from and to date till when the bill will be made. From 1st to December 30th it is not visible here as the contract is expired. The selected contract number is seen here, and all the devices against that contract is visible here. This way, auto manual invoice can be generated and shared to the customer. Please like this video, share and subscribe. Thank you.